Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play King Tekken using an easy method. King is a powerful character known for his devastating throws and grapple chains. We'll focus on a simplified approach, allowing you to quickly get into the action and dominate your opponents. By understanding a few key moves, you can effectively pressure your adversaries and secure victories with King's signature style. This method emphasizes efficiency over complex inputs. King's grapples are his bread and butter. The giant swing, executed with a half-circle back and a punch, is a powerful, unblockable throw that deals significant damage. Another essential is the tombstone piledriver, performed with 2 down-forward inputs and both punches, offering a quick, high-damage option. Mastering these 2 throws will give you a strong offensive foundation, allowing you to constantly threaten your opponent with unblockable attacks. Beyond throws, King has simple yet effective combos. The 1-2 punch is a fast, reliable poke. For a longer sequence, try the 10-hit combo, which is a series of alternating punches and kicks, easy to remember and execute. When your opponent misses an attack, punish them with a hop kick, which launches them into the air, allowing for follow-up damage. These basic attacks will complement your grappling game. Defense is crucial for King. Always be ready to block both high and low attacks to minimize damage. Sidestepping can help you avoid predictable linear attacks, creating opportunities for your own offense. King's constant threat of throws forces opponents to guess, leading to mistakes you can capitalize on. Mix up your grapples with quick pokes to keep your adversary guessing and maintain control of the match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.